Hey there, stencil fans. It's March Mashness, the new Stencil Club set exclusively for members by Mary Beth Shaw and Carolyn Dube. Take it away, gals.
Hi, I'm Mary Beth Shaw of StencilGirl Products. Welcome to the reveal for March. And as you can see right over there, Carolyn Dube, my friend, and she's my partner this month in the stencils for the club. We are calling this March Mashness, like the basketball thing, right?
That's because I'm such a big basketball player, with my big height, I can slam dunk all the time.
Oh yeah, me too, 5 foot tall. I never played in my life. But I did go to college where basketball was a big thing, so I usually follow it. And yeah. Oh, so anyway, it is always delightful to work with Carolyn, and we have a lot of fun. And I wanted us to do this together, and it just didn't work out due to my schedule. But due to technology, we can come to you together. And Carolyn's sitting there in her delightful area, and you are probably all waiting to see the stencils. So here they are. So I shall hold them up, and then Carolyn, you want to say a little bit about these?
So around here, we've got the large one, and this, you might notice the sort of spring motif going on between flowers, butterfly, that kind of thing, because I don't know about anybody else, but I'm really ready for spring and I'm done with winter. Even though there's a little snow outside right now, I'm so ready for spring. And if it won't show up that way, it's going to show up in the play. So we went very spring between the two of us here. And like the butterfly over there, that has the mask in it, so that will come out, and so you have that wonderful butterfly with all the letters and numbers in it, and then you'll also have the outline of it too, or the solid piece of it.
I love that one. I love that one. I just really love that. The size of it is cool, and I love that kind of, I don't know, sort of a graffiti edge to it.
It was like graffiti spring. It was a very, yeah. And then down on the 4x4, I love, we've got two different stencils playing in there, and that you've got more of the numbers going on, but also the sort of curliness and flowing. It makes me think of fresh greens, when everything starts to grow in the spring and all the vines are going around. So that's the feeling behind this month's collection.
I think this little baby might end up being my favorite. And I'm just going to do confession time. I have not even used the stencils yet, but I have ideas in my mind. Carolyn's used hers. Look at that. She's an overachiever.
I was so glad you had clean ones, because I'm like, these aren't clean anymore. Uh-oh.
Well, I do have a little advantage. I can just go downstairs and get another set. But what we're going to do and bring to you for the project this time is dueling gel plates. And Carolyn's the queen of the gel plate, and I've learned so much from her about how to use the gel plate, and we just thought it'd be fun to do different things with gel plates and share it out with y'all. So I think it's going to be good.
I can't wait to show them the stuff. It was this one. Oh man, the little four. I had so much fun with this one, and just because it's little doesn't mean it won't make a big print. So
nice.
This guy can do a whole lot, and I'm just going to leave it at that, but that will be in the video, in the lesson in the club.
Excellent. I am very excited. So I hope you all, our Stencil Club members, are excited at the offering this month. And if you're not a member of Stencil Club, you might think of coming on and joining us, because it is so much fun. We have a wonderful community in our Facebook group, and a lot of sharing, and we have these party calls every month where people trade stuff, and it's turned into more than I ever imagined, quite frankly. And so it's pretty exciting. Thank you all for.
There's one thing I didn't mention though about Stencil Club.
Yes.
And that is, inside the group, there is so much inspiration, because so many different people using the stencils, and you get to see all these different takes on it. And it is absolutely inspiring to see how one person used it and another person. So not only do you have the stuff that Mary Beth and I are showing you, but you also have your fellow club members and what they do. yeah, it's always such a treat. So exciting to see how they use the stencils.
Oh, thanks for saying that. I'm always blown away too. It's like people post it, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I never would have thought to do that in a million years. And it's really fun. So
I agree. It's a great group.
yeah. So your March Madness reveal is here. Your March Mashness. Okay, say that 5 times fast. Do it, Carolyn. Do it. Can you do it?
March Mashness, March Mashness, March Mashness, March Mashness, March Mashness. Okay, I sound like an evil villain when I do that.
All right, we're better at gel plates, trust me. We will see you soon in the club, and until then, you can be dreaming about these great stencils that'll be coming your way soon.
Thanks so much for watching. Remember, Stencil Club stencil sets ship on the 15th of the month, and members will be able to access the designer's exclusive project video and PDF. Need stencils? Just click the link below. Happy stenciling!